Dakota Alert DCPA-4K Plus. 1-mile wireless driveway alarm. No false alerts, weatherproof beast. Tired of guessing who's pulling up your driveway or feeling vulnerable because your current system can't keep up? The endless frustration of unreliable driveway alerts, missed visitors, and wasted time waiting outside your property kills your peace of mind. You're stuck with slow, glitchy alarms or short-range sensors that miss half the action, making your security setup feel more like a joke than protection. Say goodbye to those frustrating blind spots and unreliable tech that leaves you guessing whether it's a stray cat or a visitor. Focus, productivity, and peace? Almost impossible without the right tool. When your driveway alarm fails repeatedly, stress skyrockets. Imagine missing deliveries, late guests, or worse, unwelcome visitors without any warning. That escalating anxiety turns your yard into a guessing game, and the crushing disappointment when your old system doesn't work? Absolutely unbearable. Plus, scrambling to fix short-range alerts or false alarms from wildlife, we see you, deer, adds to burnout and drains your energy. Who has time to babysit unreliable tech? Not you. The problem intensifies, and your frustration grows. It's like security sabotage. Enter the Dakota Alert DCPA-4K Plus, your driveway's new superhero. With an epic 1-mile wireless range and weatherproof design, it smashes through signal barriers and false alarms with ease. This beastly alert system detects vehicles with surgical precision using its buried metal detecting probe and pairs effortlessly with up to 16 sensors for total customizable coverage. Installation? A breeze thanks to simple code learning tech. No more missed alerts, no more guessing. This is driveway security transformed, fast, reliable, and built to last through rain, snow, or sunshine. The benefits? Instant alerts with 16 different tunes so you never confuse a car for a coyote. Ultra-reliable CR123A batteries last over a year, powering this system day and night without solar panel worries. Easily connected to other alarms, strobes, or sirens for a full-on fortress vibe. Whether you want to hear your visitors approach from a mile away or automate your security setup, the DCPA-4K Plus delivers seamless performance that keeps you focused and stress-free. Simplicity and power rolled into one sleek white package. Security just got smart. Don't wait until it's too late. Upgrade your property's safety game with the Dakota Alert DCPA-4K Plus driveway alarm today. Whether you're protecting your home, farm, or business, seize the chance to own the longest range, most dependable wireless sensor system on the market. Act now, install in minutes, and enjoy peace of mind that lasts all year long. Your driveway deserves the best, and so do you. Click that Add to Cart button before your next unexpected visitor sneaks up.